Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and this is another sandwich in 60 seconds.
Psst, guys, guess what? I cheated. I didn't make my own Caesar dressing. I used Ken's Steakhouse. I think it's delicious and they're a friend of the show. I doctored it up a little with adding some extra anchovy, some extra grated garlic, a little red wine vinegar. I got my grilled chicken. I got my romaine lettuce nice and cold. I'm gonna throw the chicken in, the dressing, grate some Parmesan right on top, little salt, little ground pepper, taste test for the books. Are you kidding me? It's a winner. We're making it into a wrap, of course, and we got that nice tortilla. Warm it up, pile that Caesar right in the middle, a little salt, a little pepper, some more cheese, because you gotta do it right, and then I gotta fold it like a pro. I hope I did okay. I think I did all right. If I didn't, oh well. Too bad.
You know, there's nothing better than a good, crisp, cold Caesar salad with grilled chicken on a warm summer day. The only thing that's better is if it's in a wrap. You know why? You can hop in your car, drive down the highway, eating your grilled chicken Caesar wrap and yelling at everybody else on the road. And when you get to your destination, you're not hungry or angry anymore. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.